What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. Today we got a couple of Geos that are in pretty rough shape. I think it's time to send them down the road, but first we got to clean them up. And here they are. I've got two Geo Metro LSI convertibles sitting here. Both of them pretty rough shape. This one actually runs and drives with brand new tires, although it is rough is an understatement. Windshield is broken. It's been sitting here with the top down forever. The interior is, well, it's seen better days. I think just a quick pressure wash of the interior ought to clean this thing right up. This one over here has an engine actually sitting in the front seat, and a bunch of garbage just sitting in here. So I don't know how far we're going to go with this one, guys. To me, this one is just more of a parts car. I had intended on actually trying to fix this one up. Unfortunately, I just don't really feel like it anymore. I think it's time to get these two out of here. I haven't figured out exactly how to get rid of them yet. I could probably just list these things up and sell them as cash cars locally. These things are honestly nothing more than junk as far as I'm concerned. Even though this one does run and drive, unfortunately, both of them are just too rough to really mess with trying to put back together and save. So I'm going to set you guys up on a tripod. I'm going to fire up my, I almost called it a generator, my pressure washer there. And we're going to see if we can't make this thing look just a little bit better. Now, I know a lot of you are just cringing at the fact that I just pressure wash the interiors of these cars. I'll be honest with you guys, I just don't care. I really don't. They both look absolutely horrible. I don't think giving them a bath helped a whole lot, but if it helped me any, then I guess it was worth doing. They both look a whole lot better than they did when we got started, guys. Interior, exterior, I even did the engines. I thought I was recording when I did this one. Unfortunately, I guess I wasn't, so I didn't get to film it. My question is, though, is it still going to run? Like, that's... I genuinely wonder if this thing's going to fire back up again. I washed everything, guys. Same thing with this one. Pressure washed the engine and everything, too. Interior looks a hell of a lot better. Yes, it'll dry eventually. You know, I'll leave it out here. The windows always stay down anyway. Seats, pretty gnarly. Engine, still sitting in there. You know, again, this is more of a parts car than anything else, guys. So I'm not so concerned with the white one. The yellow one, though. The yellow one I am a little more concerned with. I don't want to sit in it to try to start it. You know what I mean? Under the hood, it probably isn't going to run right now. I sprayed the living heck out of the spark plugs, plug wires, distributor. This thing is probably not going to be happy. But I mean, I guess it wouldn't hurt anything. Just put the key in it and see Let's see if it does anything. If it runs, great. If it doesn't, well, probably just let it dry for you know, a week or so. That's the plan anyway. Let these things dry out. They actually cleaned up pretty nice considering how bad they were. Like I said, I ain't gonna try to sit in this thing. I really pressure washed the living heck out of the interior of both of these, just trying to make them a little bit better. Let's see if we put the key in it. First is a horn. The horn works. So she's got power. Let's, well, the lights are on, guys. It's in neutral. Let's see if we can, I'll be damned. I'll be damned. Are you serious? Tack is working. The gauges look like they're functioning. Lights are working. No way, man. I'm shocked that this car is running right now. Belts are wet. It should quiet down. Oh. That was abrupt. That was... Okay. So, I mean, she was running. She's actually running great, and then poof. It just stopped. That tells me it's probably not going to fire up again. If we try to start it right now, I doubt it's gonna do anything. My feet are soaking wet. This sucks. Let's try it again. Again, I'm trying not to climb in this thing. There we go. There you go. That's what you need. Put the pedal to the metal. Listen. Oh, now she's smoking. There we go. There we go. It'll burn all that off. She's misfiring a little bit. It wouldn't surprise me. I probably got some water down in the spark plug wells. Maybe even be some in the distributor. I'm gonna let this just sit here and run for a while, guys. Hopefully it'll displace any water that may have gotten in there or just evaporated out. As you can see, she runs like top. This thing's been sitting here for God knows how long, not running. And she will fire up every time. She'll drive down the road just fine. It's just, in my opinion, junk. I don't know. Maybe somebody else can use it, but for me, I'm done. I am going to let it sit and dry. Take a look at the white one, though. I'm real proud of this one. The white one is in such better shape cosmetically than the yellow one, except for the, you know, except for the interior, the convertible top. The dashboard in this is just totally destroyed, guys. But this was the cosmetically better car. The problem is we got all this wiring issues going on here. Somebody got into this and they just messed it up, man. I did do under the hood, if you remember. Under the hood of this thing was absolutely disgusting. It was full of spider webs and sticks and leaves. And as you can see, it actually looks, well, it looks pretty damn good, doesn't it? I feel like these two cars need to go together because of all the parts. You know what I mean? This car right here is probably, in my opinion anyway, I think this is the parts car for that one. Although that one runs and drives. This one just came out so much nicer. So much nicer, at least on the outside. It is time to get rid of these two. I don't know what to ask for them. I thought about throwing that block away, but at the same time, maybe somebody could use it. Hell, I don't know. I don't even think it has pistons or rods. No, it's got the crank. But that's it. There's no pistons, rods, there's nothing in there. We got another coolant crossover pipe right there. I mean, there's all kinds of little miscellaneous parts that you could use. So I think this is a great parts car. Maybe it'll run, maybe it won't. Honestly, at the end of the day, I don't think it really matters. The two of these would be two great parts cars. They have just about everything that you need, including this one, which has a working engine and a working transmission. This one also has brand new tires. I paid almost nothing for them. So I don't think I'm going to expect to get a whole lot out of them, but I don't know, maybe I could get $600 out of the two, you know, 300 a piece, 600 for the pair. But I would really want these things to go together because that way somebody's most likely actually going to use them for parts. I'm going to let these things just kind of sit here and dry, guys. It's a short video, I know, but that's going to be about it for this one. It was you know, a soaking wet day, getting these things cleaned up so that I could try to get rid of them and send them down the road. And of course, that belt has to start making all of those horrible noises. Look, if somebody out there is interested in the little Geos, if you need a pair of them, whatever, hit me up, autoauctionrebuilds@gmail.com. Shipping is going to be your responsibility. I'm not going to mess with it, all right? You're going to figure out how to ship it. They're obviously sold as is, where is. No guarantees expressed or implied on either one of these cars, guys. Just $600, you get yourself 2 complete little parts cars. With that, I'm going to get out of here. If you enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up button and let me know. Consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already subscribed. And until next time, stay safe out there, everybody. I look forward to seeing you all again very soon in the next one.